सी तू मोड़ की निशानी जहर वर्गायो सच्ची मोड़ लगी।
Order delicious food online on your train using IRCTC. Follow these steps. Go to the IRCTC e-catering food on track app. In home account page, login in it, else enter your PNR number and travel date. Click on the submit tab. Select your upcoming stop where you require that food. Browse the list of available restaurants at that station. Choose your favorite restaurant and select your desired meal. Place your order and make the payment. Mostly select cash on delivery. Sit back and enjoy your delicious food delivered right to your seat.